Good evening. Today's date is December 1st, and we are doing analysis for tomorrow. That is for 2nd December 2025, which is the Nifty expiry. Before we are starting the video, this analysis is just for the education purpose. I am not recommending any buy or sell calls. This is just purely for education purpose. Okay, so this is Nifty 50 chart, and the time frame is 1 day. Okay, so if you see already, like, it has done a high, and if you see, like, it's almost touched the high. So the chances are, like, it's already started dropping down. So if we our view should be like, if it crosses, and the current it is like 26,175, and if it crosses the 26,335, then we can look for a more highs. Otherwise, if it opens like in a gap down, and chances are there that it can come till 2633, and from here it can rebound again. Okay, so now we'll open it in the 15 minutes chart. Okay, as I mentioned, like, if it opens in the downwards, and if it comes near 26,000, there are chances that it can bounce back, and so we should be careful, like, between these two levels. If it is, once it crosses this 26,324, we can look for higher highs, and if it crosses this 2633 again, then we can see the low of the next low can be like 25,900. The immediate, what I think is, like, if it opens in the same, like, around 26,175, 26,200, and the immediate resistance will be the 50 days EMA, that is this one, and if it starts coming down, so the immediate support will be this one, which is around 26,126, 26,100. If it breaks, so it will come down to till 2633, and maybe it may bounce back, or if it still fallen down, it comes near the 25,900, 930 levels. And if it still go down, I think we can see the levels of 25,850, 25,800. These levels we can see 26,850. So this is like what my analysis is for 2nd December. And if we see the, as of now, if we see the I'm just checking the what is currently gift 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 nifty is trading. Okay, it is trading at 26,393, which shows like the current is of 26,175. Let's see, like by tomorrow morning, based on that, we can say like it is going to be, as of now, like it is going to be in a positive way. So if it opens near this 26,300 levels, we can wait till it crosses this marks of 26,350, 300, and then we can see the new highs. Otherwise, if it comes down, and definitely it will try to take support of these levels, any of these levels, and it can bounce back. So yeah, this is my analysis for tomorrow's Nifty 50, that is 2nd December. Thank you. Please, if you like my video, if you like my analysis, please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will try to post the analysis every day, and even try to post the in between the trading, live trading analysis. Also, I will post short videos or shorts. I mean, short videos I will post if I see any good chances of break-in or breakout or breakdown. Thank you.